周二，美国参议院通过一项全面产业政策立法，将投资近2000亿美元，而其中的520亿美元将用于支持国内半导体制造业，以便在关键科技领域赢得与北京的竞争。
On this vote, the yeas are 68, the nays are 32. The 60-vote threshold having been achieved, the bill is passed.
8日，美国参议院以68票对32票通过2021美国创新及竞争法。这项法案旨在帮助美国在关键领域与中共竞争。
If we want American workers and American companies to keep leading the world, the federal government must invest in science, basic research, and innovation. Whoever wins the race to the technologies of the future is going to be the global economic leader, with profound consequences for foreign policy and national security as well. Either we can concede the mantle of global leadership to our adversaries, or we can pave the way for another generation of American leadership.
美国参议院多数党领袖舒默和共和党参议员杨恩是这项法案的联合发起人。杨恩在投票通过后表示：“这一刻，我们团结一致，对抗中国共产党。”该法案还必须在众议院通过，然后送交白宫，由拜登签署，成为法律。新唐人亚洲电视张世林综合报道。